Fine. Hi, good to know you. Good to know you. How are you doing?
Molly.
What's her name again?
Molly. Oh, hers? Oh.
Lou, that's right. Lou's my favorite.
Cows think you like the people more than you like the dogs.
He's getting used to Papa's too.
What's more?
He picks and chooses who he wants to play.
She's like, yeah. I mean, I guess. Oh, there she goes. Hi guys! Look! We made it! We made it! We made it! We made it! It's Christmas time! Okay, I think that's gonna be it for right now. I'm so excited we made it at night. Look at that! It's all the Christmas lights! Alright, we'll see you later! Hi guys! We made it to Busch Gardens. I got the lanyard to eat. We just got here. That's a barcode. I got 8 stamps because I can't do 15 all by myself and it's just not worth the price. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna get something to eat, and yeah, I'll show you around. All right, here we go. I got the cookie. Chocolate cookie I talked about earlier. So, here we go. Oh my gosh. Tear it down. Ah. Welcome. It's good. Alright. Talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go get more food. Alright, and we're back. We're back. So, my parents got the maple bacon burger or something like that, the maple donut. It was alright. I tried it. I'm glad I didn't get it on my own. So, oh, that. How's the kid crying? Okay. It's getting dark in here, but got my Coke here. Yeah, the cookie was really rich. I'm glad I got the first time, but the second time I didn't really like it, but I ate it anyway because of course it's Christmas, so yeah. But I don't know where I'm going. I got my phone in my hand, I'm drinking in hand. I'm gonna go explore. I gotta get more food though because it's like, oh, here's the thing though. I can wait because I've got like 5 of those stamps to do or left to eat. So I can come back anytime. It's open daily until January 2nd. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. It's 7 o'clock. Getting a little tired, but we'll keep going. And yeah, see where this goes. So today was a great day. We went to the dog park, we went to Busch Gardens, and just got back home. So yeah, I think that's pretty much, that just wraps up my weekend. I didn't film anything on Saturday, but we went to the mall. Nothing exciting. I didn't get anything, but yeah, I hope you guys have had a great weekend and have a great week, as this week is Thanksgiving. Maybe I will film something. We'll see. But yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your night, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.